Bitwala is an app that combines traditional banking with cryptocurrency. When we talk about bugs, we're really looking at the friction points where these two complex worlds, finance and crypto technology meet within a mobile app environment. The biggest factor causing bugs isn't just one bad line of code, it's the sheer complexity of what the app does. Bitwala isn't just a basic banking app. It has to securely handle fiat currency, your euros, and simultaneously manage decentralized cryptocurrency wallets. This means the app is talking to at least two major back-end systems at all times, a traditional bank partner system, and the various blockchain networks for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bugs often pop up when data tries to pass between these two very different systems. Did the crypto transaction confirm on the blockchain, but the euro balance didn't update instantly? That's a potential bug right there. Beyond the crypto banking complexity, the Bitwala app faces the same challenges as any mobile application. Device and OS fragmentation. The app has to work perfectly on dozens of different Android phones and various iPhone models, each running different versions of their operating system. A code change that fixes a bug on one phone might accidentally create one on another. API and third-party integration. No financial app is built in a vacuum. Bitwala relies on a host of application programming interfaces, APIs, and third-party tools for things like user verification, security, and card services. If one of these external services changes its own code or has an outage, the Bitwala app can start glitching, crashing, or throwing an error message like JSON parse error. Network and latency issues. A bug might not even be the app's fault. If your internet connection is weak or drops out mid-transaction, the app's connection to the server can break, leading to an unhandled exception that results in a crash or a frozen screen. Updates and patches. Every new feature, security patch, or technical update to the app is an opportunity to introduce a new flaw. Continuous testing is vital, but in a fast-moving industry like fintech, developers are always sprinting to update, and sometimes a new bug slips through. When you're dealing with self-custodial wallets and direct crypto trading, a whole new layer of bug sources emerges. Wallet setup and key management. Historically, users have reported issues during the initial wallet creation or restoration process, a crucial step involving complex cryptography. If the app fails to properly generate or securely handle your unique crypto keys, it can lead to critical errors, like being unable to access your funds. Transaction signature failures. Crypto transactions must be digitally signed. If there's an issue with